Hey, what's up guys? I'm Akila. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing like a quick protective style that's like perfect for the summertime. Sometimes you just want to get your hair out your face and off your neck, and this is like my go-to style. Okay, so at first I put like a bundle of hair in my hair because I just wanted a normal ponytail, but I couldn't get my hair to stay straight for that ponytail, and I refused to be that girl with curly roots and a pin straight ponytail. So I decided to remove this ponytail and do the braided one. Originally for the first ponytail, I had used a hot comb to get my hair like sort of straight. So my hair is kind of stretched right now. I have like holding spray and like array of different products in my hair right now, so I'm going to use some mousse to like soften up the products that's already in my hair. And now I'm ready to put gel in my hair. I'm going to be using the Eco Styler gel, and I'm going to just put that all over my hair. Here I'm using a very stiff brush to help me like get all of my hair into a ponytail. I'm using a little bit of the Eco Styler to lay down my baby hairs before I tie it up. I'm using like a satin scarf that I purchased from Walmart. I'll leave it down below if you guys want to purchase one. And I'm going to tie my hair down for like at least 10 minutes. I should have done it a little bit longer because when I took off the scarf, my hair was still damp, but I wanted to complete the hairstyle, so I just kept on going. From there, I take my hair that's in the ponytail and put it in a braid and secure it with a rubber band. Now I'm going to take a hairpin and put my hair in a bow and try to secure it. Okay, here is my braiding hair. This is from like my leftover braids, and I kind of like stretched it out so it doesn't have like that blunt cut at the bottom, and I attached it to like a hair scrunchie. From there, I take the hair scrunchie and I attach it to my bun. I'm also using that same wispy hair that I had in my braids for this braided ponytail. This step is optional, but if you're going to do it, I suggest that you go ahead and section off the pieces before you start the braid. I wish I did that, but I didn't. Once that's done, you could go ahead and section off your braid into 3 parts. Try to make sure that it's even. Okay, and now I'm going to add one of those wispy hair pieces into the braid while I'm starting the braid. So the trick is to like throw over like half of the hair and then braid in the other half. Like if I didn't have on makeup and lipstick, I would have secured it with my mouth, but I just tossed it over the other side of my head. And then from there I add a few more pieces. Like it's completely up to you. You could add way more than I added. I took the braid all the way down to the bottom. The ends weren't neat, but I eventually do cut them. I secured the end with a rubber band. Okay, now that the braid is complete, I flip it over to the other side. At this point, I'm trying to stretch out the beginning of the braid to stretch it over my bun. And if you want a more fluffier braid, you could go ahead and like stretch it out. Personally, I feel like I should have braided a little bit looser so my braid could be a little bigger. And to secure the hair in place, I use hairpins. For the wispy pieces of hair, I wanted it to be a little bit shorter, so I take a razor blade and I shortened up the pieces. Okay, now I'm going to add some hair accessories. I'm going to add one of those gold caps that people use on their braids, and I'm also using rings. I didn't really like the way my edges were looking, so I'm taking some edge control by Shea's Balm and I'm going to lay my edges. Okay, so there you have it, guys, an easy summertime protective style. Not only is it easy, but it's also cheap. If you liked today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.